Hi, I'm Angela.
And I'm Carrie.
We're two of the teacher product developers here at Really Good Stuff, and we want to talk to you about this social skills kit that we created, this one specifically for 3rd to 5th graders.
And this kit features a guide that's equally in English and Spanish. This content will walk adults, both teachers or families, through some of the social emotional content. And we'll talk about key skills like relationship skills, confidence, and self-awareness.
Definitely. The other thing we have in this kit is some breathing activities. So this is our breathing star, where the kids run their finger along this, it's almost like felt. It's a very texturally soothing thing to calm themselves down if they need a way to calm their emotions.
Absolutely. And other kids prefer to calm through movement. So in this kit, we've added yoga cards, which gets kids moving through different activities, and also a fidget.
Yes, who doesn't love a good fidget? I love these fidgets. They're great because they are fairly quiet and easy for kids to use also, whether they have extra energy or they need a way to calm themselves.
Absolutely, and this kit also includes a 30-day calendar. So in addition to ways to calm, there's also different ways that kids can interact with others in their family and their community. And here there's 30 tasks for 30 days, so the kids are sure to get enough practice to help build that confidence and independence.
Awesome. Another thing in this kit that we have is our social emotional learning coloring and activity book. Not only is this coloring for calming, and sometimes kids just get a little bit extra energy out with that, but it also has activities in it, and it covers a huge variety of skills such as emotions, positive self-talk, peer pressure, so many things.
Absolutely, and as the kids are working on these skills, we've also given you a way to reward them or just acknowledge their hard work with our confidence chips. And these confidence chips have I am statements or other ways that the kids can practice positive self-talk, but also see that you're noticing their effort.
Yes, so whether you call it social skills, social emotional learning, or just being a good human, this kit may be the key.